How to install Office 365 on your home computers. As part of school's agreement with Microsoft, staff and students can install Office 365, which includes Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, on their home computers. To do this, browse to the school website and along the top, click on Office 365. So you need to now sign in with your full school email address, followed by your password. Just click on yes to store the Microsoft password. Once you have signed in the top left hand corner, click on the 9 dots and select Office 365. Okay, this is where you can access the online versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What we want to do though is download the full package to our computer at home. And to do that, you just click on the Install Office, located on the right. Simply click on that and select the first option, Office 365 apps, which includes Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Publisher. Click on that. You'll notice the box pops up at the bottom. Simply click on Run. Click on Yes to allow this package to change your device. And Office will start to install the suite. This will now install Office. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now installation has finished, just click on Close and close again. And now if you click on the Start button, you'll notice that you can see Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Go ahead and just open one of them. So I'm just going to open Word. And you now have access to Word. Simply click on the Accept License Agreement and you can use Word as you would at school. That concludes the video.